guys, it's Carolina. Welcome back to my channel. So it's finally October, and you know what that means. Halloween is approaching, and it's the Halloween makeup tutorial season. So today I decided to do a quick, simple, and sexy makeup for Halloween. And for those of you who don't want to buy costumes because it's expensive, this is something like really easy to do. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So to begin with, the first thing I'm doing is filling in my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. I'm just brushing them and then filling them in wherever I feel like they need to be filled in. Next, I'm taking this eyebrow gel and just brushing my eyebrows the way I want them to go so they stay in place for the rest of the day. I did decide to go a little bit darker on the brows since I'm doing a full face of makeup. So I'm just taking a brown shadow and just filling in the gaps since I do have a slit on my eyebrow. And I'm just filling that in. Now I'm taking eyebrow scissors and just cutting them. I don't know if it's called eyebrow scissors, but mini scissors, and I'm just cutting the front of my eyebrow. And now I'm taking some concealer and just shaping them in the way I want them to be, cleaning them up a little bit. Also, I'm not gonna go into full detail with the makeup. I'm just glamming it up. You can do whatever makeup you want. I'm just doing a random one that I felt like doing, and then I'm gonna spice it up with Halloween details to it, which is what I'm gonna show you guys. Now I'm just taking my Morphe 350 palette, I believe. I don't know. I'll have all of the links down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. But I'm taking this palette and I'm using it to create a brown smoky eye. I'm starting off with the lighter shades and then going into the darker ones just so I can create more of a gradient effect, and it looks so much better. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me going into full detail with this makeup look. I do smoky eyes all the time. I love them, and if you guys want to see how I do it, then let me know. I'm taking the middle shade that I used and I'm applying that to my lower lash line also, just to tie the whole makeup together. Now I'm just taking a orangey brownish glitter shadow and applying that to the middle of my eyelid. This makes your eyes pop a little bit. They make it look a little bit bigger and it makes you look more awake, which is something we all want. Then I'm taking a white yellowish shimmer shadow and just applying that to my brow bones and also my inner corners. Then I'm taking my eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes and following that up with some mascara to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Now I'm taking my MAC contour stick and I'm just contouring my face, my cheekbones, temples, nose, and also under my chin and under my lip. Now I'm just blending that out with a brush. I did switch it up to a beauty blender. I thought it made it look much better, so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm taking some powder and just making a sharp line under my contour and blending that out just to make the contour a little bit more sharp and make my cheekbones look more defined. here I'm just taking a black eye pencil and just lining my lip. I'm also filling that in a little bit before I apply lipstick and mixing the shades together to create the perfect vampire shade. Now I'm gonna take this nude pink lipstick and just mix that in with the black. So now that we got the whole like makeup done, like the glam part, now we're gonna start adding like the Halloweeny part. So I'm gonna take the same black pencil that I used before, and I'm just gonna trace a line on my neck. It doesn't have to be even. Actually, it's probably best if it's not. I mean, don't go crazy and do like a very weird line, but you know, it doesn't have to be even. So after I created the line, I'm just gonna do some X's. So after you created the X's, what you're gonna do is take a red lipstick and you're gonna run that through, you're just gonna overline it, basically, like just put it over what you already did. And then what you're going to want to do is take that same black pencil and run it over one more time. And now what you're going to want to do from there is just like smudge it out. Now, since my black pencil is not that good, I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna do the same thing basically, except with the shadow. Now I'm gonna take the same red lip gloss and run that over. Now this time I'm gonna take a brush so that I can smudge it out even better. And without taking the X's away that much. And now I'm gonna just go over with the red one to pretend it's like bloody. It's supposed to look like a bruise but still look bloody, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go over with the red one. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back with that black and just kind of like press it on instead of like creating a sharp line. And I'm just going like back and forth with the same thing until I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take the same brush that I smudged it out with, and then I'm just gonna create some bruises wherever I feel like I want them. It's just gonna be kind of random, and the color is already mixed on the brush, so it's like the perfect bruise color. Of course, you can add like yellow, whatever you want, like if you want to make it look more realistic, like really realistic bruises, then just like do whatever you want, you know? Then I'm gonna take the red, I'm gonna put it on my finger, and also the black shadow, and mix it on my finger. And then I'm just gonna like do blood splashes on my face. You can really play around with this since it's like a Halloween makeup. There's really no rules, you know? Now I'm gonna pretend there is blood dripping from my lip. And there you have it, a quick and simple, sexy Halloween makeup tutorial. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do whatever you have to do, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.